Xiaomi is bringing new models to its flagship lineup with the Xiaomi 16 series. Xiaomi is thought to add a new Pro Max variant to its line of flagship Android smartphones. A fresh leak has revealed the impressive battery size of this new Xiaomi 16 Pro Max model. The latest rumor arrives from known tipster Digital Chat Station, who shared the details on Weibo. Eeks hinting at a new large camera bump on the Xiaomi 16 Pro Max that may house a secondary display. This is the first look Xiaomi 16 Pro Max. New Xiaomi 16 Pro Max will feature a new, ultra-dynamic 50MP SmartSense 590 sensor. This next-gen flagship is also bring Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 for cutting-edge performance. Rounding off the impressive specs and features is a massive battery pack. Xiaomi 16 Pro Max will be powered by a huge 7,290 mAh cell, which could be marketed as a 7,500 mAh battery. October is likely to see the arrival of multiple smartphones. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.